Sixth chapter binomial theorem. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2A part 47. Last part completed sum of the infinite series model problem 7 marks question completed. Today discuss once again sum of the infinite series model problem. First of all, read the problem. This problem belongs to exercise 6B Roman number 3 question number 1 fourth one. What is that problem? Find the sum of the infinite series. Find the sum of the infinite series. 3 by 4 into 8 minus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 into 16 minus and so on infinity. First of all, given series we have to take S. That's why you can write solution S. Put S is equal to 3 by 4 into 8 minus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 into 16 minus and so on infinity. In this sum of this series, you can multiply numerator 1. You can multiply numerator 1. What happened? 1 into 3 by 4 into 8. 1 into 3 how much? 1 into 3 nothing but 3. That's why you can multiply any number 1, you get the same number. That's why here value is unchanged. 1 into 3 into 5 nothing but 3 into 5, 4 into 8 into 12 plus 3, 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 into 6 minus and so on. Just you can multiply numerator 1, value is unchanged. That's why next step is what? Next step is S is equal to, here numerator 1 into 3 is there. That's why you can write 1 into 3 by 1 into 2. 1 into 3 by 1 into 2. Remaining what here? 4 8s are how much? 32. 32 you have taken 2 common, you get 1 by 16 minus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 into, here 4 into 8 into 12 by 1 into 2 into 3, 2 1s are 2 2s are, 3 1s are 3 4s are. Remaining what? 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64. You get remaining term is 1 by 64. Similarly, you can write here 16 into 4 is there, 4 1s are 4 4s are. 4 4s are 16, 8 2s are 16. 16 16s are 256. 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 1 by 256 minus and so on. You can write here numerator having 3 terms. You get write 1 into 2 into 3. Numerator having 4 terms. You can write sequence of 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Here 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 divisible by 4 into 8 into 12 into 16. You get what? 1 by 256. This one is a process. After that you can write S is equal to 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 nothing but 2 factorial into 1 by 4k nothing but 16 minus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 value is 3 factorial into 1 by 4 cube. How much? 4 cube. 4 into 4 16. 4 into 4 into 4 how much? 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 how much? 256. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 16s are 256. That's why 256 can be written as 1 by 4 power 4 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 factorial into 1 by 4 power 4 minus and so on infinity. After that, s is equal to 1 into 3 by 2 factorial. You can write this one is 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 4 square nothing but 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 factorial into 1 by 4 whole cube plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 factorial into 1 by 4 whole power 4. 1 by 4 whole power nothing but 1 power 4 value 1, 4 4 4. You can write similar minus and so on. After that, this suppose this one is equation 1. In equation 1, comparing with which form? 1 minus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square minus and so on. Here first term is 1, second term is minus p by 1 factorial into x by q, third term is p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square minus and so on infinity. Value is 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. This one is the formula. In this formula, equation 1, this part, which part this is? RHS part, comparing in formula LHS part. Here observe the students, here first term is 1 is there, second term minus p by 1 factorial into x by q is there, and first term is there, second term is there, but here in this s third term onwards formula is there. That's why you can add these two terms in s. You can add these two terms in s, you get a formula expansion model. Here we can add in this s term first term and second term. Here first term is 1, second term is p by 1 factorial into x by q. X by q nothing but 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. X by q nothing but 1 by 4. P value is what here? P value is 1 by 1 factorial. That's why this equation 1, in equation 1, adding on both sides, adding on both sides 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 4. This equation 1, adding on both sides, first term and second term. First term is 1, second term is 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 4. You can you get what 1 implies? 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 4 plus s. Adding these two term in s. After that, what is the RHS part? 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 3 by 2 factorial into 1 by 4 whole square. What is the third term? Third term is completed. Fourth term 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 factorial into 1 by 4 whole cube plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 factorial into 1 by 4 whole power 4 and so on. See students, this RHS part comparing with LHS part of the formula. First term 1 is there, second term is there, third term also is there. That's why you can comparing this one, you get a P value. P value is how much here? 1. P plus Q. P plus Q value is how much here? P into P plus Q. P plus Q value is 3. X by Q value is 1 by 4. X by Q value is 1 by 4. After that, Q is equal to 3 minus P. Q is equal to 3 minus P. Q is equal to 3 minus what is the value of P? P value is 1. That's why Q value is 2. Q value is what here? 2. P value is what here? 1. See students, this step is very important. Here in equation 1, adding on both sides these two terms. Why? Because you can adding these two terms. That's why you can observe that formula. In this formula, first term, second term not in the form of S. Yes, LRHS part not in the form of in this formula. Just two terms, first two terms are missing. That's why you can add this s adding first two terms. That's why you can add first two terms. You get this one. Comparing p, you can comparing this equation in this formula. You get p value is 1, p plus q value is 3, you get q value is 2. What is the x by q? X by q nothing but 1 by 4. X by q, q nothing but 2, 1 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are, x is equal to 1 by 2. Here p value is 1, q value is 2, x value is 1 by 2. After that you can use, what is the s here? 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 4 plus s is equal to this total expansion, this total RHS part expansion in the form of 1 plus x whole power p by q. Which form? 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. See students, here alternate positive negative, you get power negative, binomial expansion the between the two terms is positive. That's why you can apply in this formula, substituted p value 1, q value 2, x value 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 1 factor nothing but 1, 1 by 4 plus s is equal to 1 plus x value is 1 by 2 whole power minus p. P value is 1 by q value is 2. After that you have to take LCM these two terms. LCM is what here? 4 is LCM. After that 4 minus 1 plus s is equal to, here also be 2 is LCM, 2 plus 1 whole power minus 1 by 2. After that here 4 minus 1 how much? 4 minus 1 3 by 4 plus s, 3 by 4 plus s is equal to 2 plus 1 value 3, 3 by 2 whole power minus 1 by 2. 3 by 2 whole power minus 1 by 2. Already explained previous classes. Here in this fraction, interchanged numerator and denominator, the sign of the power is changed. That's why you are using 3 by 4 plus s is equal to 2 by 3. Here 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is a fraction form. Here 3 by 2 interchanged numerator and denominator, you get 2 by 3. Power having sign changed, power having minus, sign change nothing but 1 by 2. After that 3 by 4 plus s is equal to square root of 2 by 3. Correct or not students? Whole power 1 by 2 nothing but square root, whole power 1 by 3 nothing but cube root, whole power 1 by n nothing but nth root. That's why you can write here s value is what? S value is square root of 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. This is the sum of the infinite series of the following x function. What is the s here? S value is what here? S value is 3 by 4 into 8 minus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 into 16 minus on so on infinity. This one is the value of f. Sum of the infinite series is equal to, what is the answer? Square root of 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. This is the very important different model problem in the sum of the infinite series model problem.